Spiritual Manthan.
Imagine a world where you hold the key to unlock the door to your dreams. A world where the universe conspires in your favor, where your thoughts become reality, and where the seeds you plant in your mind blossom into a life beyond your wildest imagination. Welcome to a journey of transformation, a journey where you'll discover the profound impact of spiritual laws on every aspect of your life. In this captivating exploration, we will delve deep into the wisdom passed down through generations, revealing the secrets of the universe and how you can harness these spiritual laws to shape your destiny. Get ready to embark on a life-altering quest, for once you learn this, you'll never be the same. 1. The unbreakable laws. Imagine the universe as a cosmic orchestra, harmonizing to the rhythm of unbreakable laws. Laws that govern the very essence of existence. These laws, often referred to as universal or spiritual principles, are the silent conductors of reality's symphony, perpetually in motion, whether we choose to acknowledge their presence or not. Some of these laws gracefully guide the dance of atoms and galaxies in the physical world, while others delve deep into the quantum and spiritual realms, shaping the unseen forces that underpin our lives. Throughout the tapestry of human history, ancient mystics and profound philosophers have held these spiritual laws close to their hearts. They cherished the secrets of existence, sharing their wisdom through teachings passed down through generations. These luminaries understood that these laws are a timeless legacy, waiting patiently for humanity's recognition and understanding. The beauty of these spiritual laws lies in their universality. They are not bound by time or space, transcending cultural, religious, and geographical boundaries. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of reality itself, connecting all living beings in a profound cosmic dance. These laws do not discriminate. They are impartial and unwavering, always active, whether we choose to acknowledge them or not. The profound significance of these spiritual laws extends beyond mere belief or faith. They are rooted in the very essence of existence. They are the underpinning principles that guide the unfolding of our lives, shaping our experiences, and providing us with a deeper understanding of the world we inhabit. In the pages of history, we find countless tales of individuals who, through an understanding and alignment with these spiritual laws, achieved extraordinary feats and transformed their lives. These laws are not reserved for a select few. They are accessible to anyone willing to embark on a journey of exploration and self-discovery. As we delve deeper into the realms of these unbreakable laws, we will unveil their secrets, explore their profound impact on our lives, and discover how harnessing their power can lead to a life beyond our wildest dreams. So, my friend, prepare yourself for a transformative journey. For once you learn this, you'll never be the same. 2. The law of sowing and reaping. The law of sowing and reaping, a cornerstone of spiritual wisdom, unveils the profound connection between our thoughts, actions, and the unfolding tapestry of our lives. It is a timeless principle that resonates across diverse cultures and religious traditions, reminding us that the universe operates with an inherent sense of balance and justice. Imagine your mind as a fertile garden and your thoughts as the seeds you plant within it. Every thought you cultivate is like sowing a tiny, invisible seed into the rich soil of your consciousness. These thoughts carry a unique energy, an energy that reverberates into the universe, seeking to return to you in kind. When you sow seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, you unwittingly nurture a garden of despair. These dark seeds, once planted, germinate and grow, overshadowing the beauty of your inner landscape. The actions you take, akin to providing water to these seeds, nurture their growth. The more you dwell on these negative thoughts, the more they take root and manifest in your life. Conversely, when you plant seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, your inner garden blossoms with beauty and joy. These seeds, infused with the radiant energy of positivity, grow into magnificent creations. Your actions, like the life-giving rays of sunlight, nurture these seeds and bring forth a bountiful harvest of happiness and fulfillment. The universe operates as an impartial gardener, responding to the seeds you sow with unwavering precision. It faithfully brings forth what you have planted in the fertile soil of your mind. This law reminds us that our inner world is not detached from the external reality we experience. Rather, it is intricately connected with the outer world, mirroring the growth and fruition of the seeds sown within. As you journey through life, remember the power of the law of sowing and reaping. Take a conscious role in tending to your inner garden. Choose your thoughts with care, sow seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, and watch as your life transforms into a tapestry of joy, beauty, and fulfillment. The universe is your co-creator, and by aligning your thoughts and actions with this law, you can shape a reality that resonates with the harmony of your deepest desires. 3. The power of focus. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract positivity and success into their lives, while others remain trapped in cycles of despair and misfortune? The answer often lies in a fundamental but often overlooked aspect of human existence: the power of focus. Imagine your thoughts as the rudder of a ship, steering the direction of your life's voyage. Energy, much like water, flows where your attention guides it. This simple truth is at the heart of why people find themselves either flourishing or floundering. When you concentrate your thoughts on what you don't want or on negativity, you unwittingly send out a powerful signal to the universe. It's a phenomenon deeply rooted in the fabric of existence, supported by the profound insights of quantum physics. The double-slit experiment, for instance, demonstrates that conscious observation can literally shape the outcome of an experiment. This remarkable revelation provides a glimpse into the extraordinary interconnectedness between our consciousness and the world we experience. In a universe where like attracts like, your thoughts act as magnets, drawing similar energy towards you. When you dwell on the negative aspects of life or focus on what you lack, you're essentially casting a spell that summons more of the same. It's as if the universe is a cosmic mirror, reflecting back to you the energy you project. However, the inverse is equally true. By consciously directing your thoughts toward positivity, abundance, and your desired outcomes, you become the architect of your own reality. You hold the brush to paint the masterpiece of your life. So, as you journey forward, remember the profound impact of your focus. Your thoughts are the seeds that shape the garden of your existence, and you have the power to cultivate a life filled with the beauty and abundance you truly desire. Embrace this power, and you'll find that once you master it, you'll never be the same. 4. Manifestation from thought to reality. Now, we arrive at the transformative bridge that connects your dreams to reality, the power of manifestation. It's a process that begins with a spark of inspiration and ends with the fulfillment of your deepest desires. So, let's dive deeper into the art of manifestation. The journey begins with a clear and vivid vision of what you want to accomplish in your life. It's not enough to have a vague idea. You must be specific. Write it down. As the ink touches the paper, it's as if you're making a contract with the universe, declaring your intentions. This simple act not only crystallizes your goal, but also brings unwavering focus to your aspirations. But visualization is where the real magic begins. Close your eyes and take a journey into the future, where you've already achieved your desired goal. Feel the emotions that come with it, the elation, the satisfaction, and the profound fulfillment. Imagine the details, the surroundings, and the people who share in your triumph. In this mental landscape, you are the architect of your reality. Visualization connects you to the profound power of positive emotions. It fuels your dreams with the energy required to manifest them. As you immerse yourself in these emotions, you cultivate a sense of unwavering positivity and unshakable confidence about your goal. Doubt and fear have no place here, for you are the master of your destiny. However, Thoughts and feelings alone won't turn your dreams into reality. It's the intentional, consistent action that sets the wheels in motion. Break your goal into smaller, manageable steps. These are the building blocks of your dreams, the daily actions that inch you closer. Each step is a testament to your commitment and determination. Consistency is your trusted companion on this journey. It's the secret ingredient that transforms your aspirations into tangible achievements. Day by day, step by step, you're aligning your reality with your vision. It's a dance of dedication and determination, where every move takes you closer to the grand finale of your dreams becoming your reality. 5. Trusting the process. Trusting the process is the cornerstone of harnessing the spiritual laws that shape our reality. It's the belief that the universe is not an indifferent force, but a benevolent one, always working in our favor, even when circumstances seem dire. This trust is not blind faith, it's a deep understanding of the intricate dance of life. Think of life as a tapestry woven with countless threads, each representing a unique experience, a lesson, or a moment of joy. Some threads may appear frayed or tangled, but when viewed from a distance, they contribute to the rich tapestry of your existence. Embracing this perspective allows you to surrender to the ebb and flow of life's rhythms. When you trust the process, you acknowledge that everything unfolds as it should. Even the challenges and setbacks are part of the grand design, leading you toward your highest potential. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your path to growth and self-discovery. At the heart of trusting the process is the belief that your desires will manifest at the perfect time for you. It's understanding that the universe operates on its own timeline, one that is intricately woven with the threads of your life's journey. Your role is to align your thoughts, actions, and intentions with your desires, and then surrender the outcome to the universe. Steve Maraboli's wisdom encapsulates this principle beautifully. By planting seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love in your mind, you send a powerful message to the universe. You declare your intentions with unwavering faith, knowing that these positive seeds will return to you in abundance when the time is right. It's important to remember that this trust in the process doesn't mean passivity or complacency. Rather, it's an invitation to take inspired action while releasing attachment to the outcome. It's a dance of effort and surrender, where you give your best, knowing that the universe is conspiring to fulfill your desires in ways you may not even imagine. So, my friend, as you journey through life, trust the process. Embrace the belief that the universe is your ally and that your desires are on their way to you. Plant the seeds of positivity and watch as they grow into a bountiful harvest of fulfillment and abundance. Your time is coming, and when it arrives, you'll find that trusting the process was the key to unlocking a life beyond your wildest dreams. 6. The power of words. Imagine your words as the brushstrokes on the canvas of your life, painting the picture of your reality. They possess the remarkable power to shape the world you live in, not only for yourself, but for those you encounter along your journey. When you choose words of love, you ignite a fire of connection that warms the hearts of others. Love expressed through words is a potent elixir that heals wounds, mends relationships, and fosters a sense of belonging. It's a gentle reminder that we are all interconnected in this vast tapestry of existence. Encouragement is the nurturing sunlight that helps dreams sprout and flourish. When you speak words of encouragement, you provide the vital support that others need to believe in themselves and their capabilities. These words are a lifeline for those facing challenges, helping them find the strength to persevere. Empowerment, perhaps the mightiest of all, is the key that unlocks the potential within each soul. When you empower others with your words, you grant them the gift of self-belief. It's like handing them the keys to a treasure chest filled with untapped talents, creativity, and boundless possibilities. Yet don't forget the immense power your words have over your own life. Speak to yourself with kindness and compassion, for you are your own closest companion on this journey. Your self-talk shapes your self-perception, and in turn, your self-perception influences the reality you create. So remember, your words are the seeds you sow in the fertile soil of your mind. They are the winds that carry your intentions to the universe. When you plant seeds of kindness and compassion, they bloom into a lush garden of goodwill, both within and around you. In this grand symphony of existence, your words are the music, the melody that resonates with the hearts of others, bringing harmony and beauty to the world. Embrace the power of your words, for they hold the key to a life filled with abundance, love, and profound transformation. My friend, you now hold the keys to unlock the profound wisdom of the spiritual laws that govern our universe. You have learned that your thoughts, your actions, and your words are the seeds that shape your reality. The universe is impartial. It responds to the energy you emit. As you navigate your life's journey, remember that these laws are always working in your favor when you align your focus and intentions with them. Plant seeds of expectation, cultivate thoughts of achievement, and believe in your power to overcome obstacles and weaknesses. You have the choice to plant seeds that lead to a life of abundance, happiness, and fulfillment, or seeds that yield despair and lack. It's all up to you. As you go forth on this transformative path, may these laws guide your way. May your life be a testament to their profound impact, and may you discover that once you learn this, you'll never be the same.